In this video, we will solve linear equations using the multiplication axiom. The basic principle of equality can be extended to multiplication and division. The multiplication axiom states that both sides of an equation may be multiplied or divided by the same non-zero quantity without changing its equality. Symbolically, if A equals B and C is not equal to 0, then AC equals BC. If A equals B and C is not equal to 0, then A divided by C is equal to B divided by C for all real numbers A, B, and C. To solve a linear equation using the multiplication axiom, first, multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of the coefficient of the variable term, or divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of the variable term. For example, solve 4x equals 48. We have 4x equals 48, and we divide both sides by 4. Then x equals 48 divided by 4, which is 12. If we instead have 45 equals 0.5x, I'll note that 0.5 is 1/2, so 45 equals 1/2 x here. Then, if we multiply both sides by 2, we get that x is equal to 90. If we have 1/4 n equals 7, we can multiply both sides of the equation by 4 and get n is equal to 28. An equation is solved when the coefficient of the variable term is positive 1. If the coefficient is negative 1, we apply the multiplication axiom to complete the solution. For example, solve negative n equals 25. Remember that negative n equals 25 means that negative 1 times n equals 25. Then we can divide both sides of the equation by negative 1 and get n equals negative 25. When an equation has been solved, we can easily check our solution. To verify or check the solution of an equation, first substitute the solution in place of the variable in the original equation. Perform all indicated operations on each side of the equation. If the solution is correct, the value on the left side of the equation should equal the value on the right side. For example, check that 12 is the solution to 4x equals 48. First, we replace the variable with the solution, so we have 4 times 12 equals 48. And we perform indicated operations. 4 times 12 is equal to 48. Since 48 equals 48, we know that this is the correct solution to the problem.